Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. He's got a bag that's filled with toys for boys and girls again. Here goes sleigh bells, jingle, jangle, oh, what a beautiful
What's this? The streets are lined with little creatures laughing. Everybody seems so happy. Have I popped a big on Daffy? What is this?
Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of BAHHUMBUGZ. Today I am turning myself into an emo elf. I know this is so random, but I wanted to kind of do something a little more fun and less spooky or creepy or gory, and do this random little evil emo elf. That is such a mouthful. I had this little elf nose that I got in the summer for this Christmas series, and I poorly applied it. I have never applied a prosthetic before, so I really didn't try all that hard. Honestly, it is 1 a.m. Anyway, if you're interested in seeing how to get this emo elf look done, then just keep on watching. Okay, so it's time to apply this nose, but honestly, I'm doing it all wrong. I didn't want to dirty up a brush, so I'm just putting the Prosaide directly onto the prosthetic and then letting it get tacky and then just smushing it onto my nose as best as I can. Literally don't do anything that I just did. Moving on, I'm going to apply foundation. This is the Revolution Cream Foundation Stick in the shade F3. Again, I wanted to be a little paler, so I used this shade. I'm applying it all over my face, including the prosthetic and my nose, to try to blend that prosthetic in as best as possible. I'm using a flat top foundation brush from ColourPop. A brush is definitely the best method to apply foundation when you're dealing with prosthetics like this. Now I'm dipping into my Creepy Cute palette from Strobe Cosmetics. It's been a minute since I've used this, and I'm just going to take the black shade Void and start working on my eyebrows. Not doing anything too special, just getting them on there nice and dark. Cleaning up under and around my brows with some more of that foundation stick, and then I'm going to go back into the Creepy Cute palette and take that gray shade and start applying that all over my crease, my lid, and my lower lash line. I didn't want to do another smoky eye, honestly, so I went with some more gray tones, but then I'm going to be dipping into Void once again and shading around my lash line area. And since I didn't set my face, I'm going back with my foundation brush to clean up and reshape the eyeshadow a little bit. This was the last look, so I'm going full lazy. Next up, I'll be taking my favorite Milk Makeup Lip and Cheek Stick. This is in the shade Swish. I'm adding the pink first to create a gradient, and then I'll be going in with Mehron's Creamstick. This is in the red. I will link everything in the description down below per usual, and I'll be focusing that on the tip of my nose and blending it into the pink. I want my elf to be an emo elf, obviously, but I feel like elves naturally have that rosy complexion on their cheeks and their nose. So that's why I decided to stick with the blushed look. I'll be adding the excess that is on the brush to my cheeks, and then a little bit more of the Mehron red cream paint, but it was turning out a little too harsh. So I'll be blending that in with my fingers and then again with my brush. Next, I'll be taking these lashes from Lash Lottery. I believe they're in the style Roulette, but I can't remember. I'll link the correct ones down below. So for lips, I debated on doing an all black lip, but I kind of wanted to go with the gray scheme. So I'm adding Black Moon Cosmetics Ash all over my lip, and then I decided that I needed to make it a little more dark. So I added Black Moon Cosmetics liquid lipstick in Sleepwalker to my upper lip to kind of add to this cartoon elf situation we've got going on here. I didn't want to really set my face, so I'm just going to set the blush with the Blush Crush from Lottie London. I believe this is in the shade Nick. Now we're gonna put on some accessories. I'm adding this choker from Hot Topic. My costume is from Leg Avenue per usual, and this wig is from Annabelle's Wigs. It has a full bang situation, but obviously I'm an emo, so we're going to comb it over as far as possible. Then we're adding some elf ears that I found on Amazon. These ears are amazing. I've used them for a number of looks, and I just paint them different colors every time and wash them off. So I will link my Amazon store where I got them down below. Adding the finishing touches by popping on this elf hat, and then some faux piercings to my nose and my ears. Okay, so this is the finale of BAHHUMBUGZ. I really hope you guys enjoyed this nice little mini Christmas series. Let me know what you thought of it in the comments down below. I hope you guys have a great holiday and a happy new year, and I will see you soon in the new year for more spookifies.